Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be seeing how many pink and red fidgets I have in my fidget collection. And I'm doing this for Valentine's Day. So before we get started, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Times it. If you guys successfully completed the Foskin challenge, comment down below. Is your favorite holiday Valentine's Day? Or comment down below how many pink and red fidgets I'm going to find today. So anyways, without further ado, let's get right into it. And sorry for the bad lighting. I'm in my closet where my fidgets are. I did this for January, seeing how many blue and white fidgets I have, but I took all my bins, my fidget bins, out there for that video. But yeah, so I apologize for the bad lighting in here. So I do this type of video for every holiday. I did it for 4th of July or Memorial Day, Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter. I'm going to be doing one for St. Patrick's Day this year. And then I'm going to do another one for Easter, another one for 4th of July, and another one for Halloween, another one for Christmas. Yeah, I do one of these every month, or try to do them every month, but it doesn't really work. It doesn't always work out that way, because I have other videos that I want to post and film besides these ones. So I have two organized. My closet has been rearranged a little bit ever since I put my Christmas stuff in a separate tote, my Halloween stuff in a separate tote, and my other decorations for Valentine's Day, Easter, 4th of July, my birthday stuff in a separate tote. That's all back there. And then I put 4 of my fidget bins right here, on this side, then 2 of them on this side. That's against this black thing. But I think I'm going to start in right over here, or maybe I should start these ones since I'm already here. So what I'm going to do, sorry again guys for the bad lighting. I would move this because there's a window there, but yeah, I wish there was an outlet in here so I could plug in my ring light, but I don't think there is an outlet in here. I don't know actually. Yeah, I don't think there's no ring light in here. Well, there's a ring light right here, but I don't think there's no outlet in here. Anyway. But the first drawer that I'm going to, or the first set of drawers I'm going to do is my pop tubes, noodles, and mochis. Man, I wish I can bring or get better lighting in here. There's only one window right here, and I'm sitting in front of it. I'll be right back. I'll figure something out. Okay, guys, I'm back. I moved my fidgets out in my room just for this video because there's better lighting in here. Anyway, I think, as I was saying, I'm going to start with my pop tubes, noodles, and mochis. So I did get some new pop tubes from a fidget mystery box that I got for Christmas. So yeah. Anyway, sorry guys. Pop tubes, I have this giraffe one. I'll be right back. Alright guys, sorry I had to push the play button and I'm back. So, what we were doing is finding pink pop tubes. Pink and red pop tubes. And at the end I'm going to be counting them to see how many I have. I'm going to do red at the same time. I don't know where I'm going to put the red stuff. Red pop tubes. I think that's all. I think that's all for pop tubes. I don't think I have any red noodles. I think I just have pink in here. Yes, pink. Doesn't matter what shade of pink I do. It's just pink. So, pink. The last time I did a Valentine's Day fidget themed video, I did pink, white, purple, and red. 4 colors. I did the same thing for Halloween. And that took forever. Okay, these are all the pink noodles. And then I have a sticky hand here as well. You shouldn't be in here. This shouldn't be in here. You should be in there. And a pink sticky hand. This thing. These little guys. Got that. These two. I don't think I have any red in here. But I do have a lot of pink in here, which is unbelievable. That's more of a purple, actually. Comment down below if you guys want me to do another organizing fidget video, and I will absolutely do that. I'm trying to find more. Okay, I think that's all the pink noodles. Okay, now mochis. I'm just gonna keep the drawer in, because once I pull out a drawer from this, it comes out. Okay, big orange squishy, a tab of squishy, which is obviously not pink. I do have a lot of pink in here, however. I want more mochis, though. Anyway, I'm just gonna pick out a handful and count how many pink I can find. That's more of a, and red. So, red strawberry, pink cherries, that is yellow, that is yellow, purple, green, clear, yellow, white. Okay. Okay. Pink cat, a pink dog, seal or whatever, walrus, a pink paw, a pig, another pig. I think that's all. Yep, that's all for that handful. Now I'm just gonna fish out some stuff. Pink and red, of course. Like I said before, it doesn't matter. As long as it's pink or red, it counts. For St. Patrick's Day, I think I'm going to do green and rainbow. So I'm cutting this Santa hat. I think that's a little itty bitty one. Hot pink does count because it's a shade of pink. I don't know. Should that count, that cloud? I'm not gonna count it. It looks more purple than pink. Okay, I have a handful right here. I don't think there's any more. Okay, so a pink dinosaur, a pig, a little itty bitty one, pink gummy bear, another pink gummy bear, a snail, a cloud, this thing, a bunny, another bunny, another dinosaur, and then this magenta bear. And then for red, Santa hat, Santa's boot, 2 cherries, an apple, a strawberry, 2 watermelons. Do I have another apple? Because I know I have 2 of each fruit. Let me see. That's a tab of squishy. Oh, I missed some pink ones. These 2 pinks. Oh, by the way, I forgot to predict. I think pink is going to win. Or maybe it might be a tie. I don't think I've done a video like this that each color got a tie. Like one or the other one. Do I have another apple, 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 apple. I missed another pink one. I thought I had another apple. I know I had 2 of each fruit because I got a fruit mystery pack mochi thing from Walmart a while back. Huh. I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I don't see it in here. Oh well. Now next I'm going to move on to my smaller fidgets like Marble Mash, Mochi, or not Mochis because they have their own drawer. Marble Mash, spike balls, snappers, bike chains or flippy chains, Marble Mash, and then like the non-Neo items that I got from the advent calendars. So yeah, I'm gonna start here. I already see some pink off the bat. This finger puppet. This ring. Okay. This Marble Mash. But this, whoa, spike ball. I don't think I have any red in here. Oh, no. Never mind, I have a red acupressure ring. Another pink spike ball, another red acupressure ring. Isn't it for in here? Snappers. I think that might be it for that drawer. Oh my gosh. Now it's time for the big drawer, which is my puzzle/random fidget drawer. Oh my gosh. I have a whole ton of stuff in this drawer. It's like full. Look at this full. This is one of my newer ones. It's anyway, this is a whack-a-mole game. That's one of my newer ones. Anyway. By the way, comment down below some emojis that you don't think I have in Fidgets. Since it's been a while since I've done that. Those types of videos. Oh, okay, that's... Anyway, I found 3 red fidgets so far. Skateboard and fidget cube and fidget spinner. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna count that. A pink little honeycomb thing. I don't know what it's called, but... This thing that doesn't count. I don't know what this is for. Anyway, a pink fidget spinner and pink infinity cube. I'm finding more pink stuff than red. I have lots of stuff in here. Oh, look at this thing. I think it's a military green color. I don't know what it is, actually. I think it's a fidget spinner. But it's like, it has an arrow. Oh, this is like a map. Okay, I know what this is. I was confused at first of what it is. So it says 7+ there. So whenever I spin it, I have to, with the arrow lens, and I think I have to add that up. So 7 + 10 is 17. But this doesn't relate to the video. So maybe I'll do a video on this. Maybe I'll do a video on this, but I don't know what to call it. So I think that's what you're supposed to do with this. So you spin it, and then whatever the arrow lands on, either number 1 through 10, you have to add up 7 plus, say 3, 10. 7 plus 10, 17, 7 plus 1, 8, 7 plus 7, 16, right? Yeah, 16, 7 plus 5, 12, 7 plus 4, 11, 7, yeah, 7, 9, 7 plus 1, 8, all that. So I might do a whole video on this, I don't know. But anyway, back to the video. Okay, I have a pink slinky. I am now finding many red stuff in here. I got a water gun. Yeah, I think I'm done going through this drawer. think that's it. Okay, now my Wacky Track, Snakes, Tangles, and my sand-filled Fidgets. Okay, I did this for the one that I did before this, which was finding finding blue and red, or not blue and red, blue and white Fidgets. I'm not going to do whatever color like this. This has pink in it, but it also has orange. So I'm not going to count it because it has another color in it. Same with this one. This has red in it, but it has white in it. So I didn't count this in the January one because, well, yeah. So I do have a solid pink pig, a red pepper, which I got from Dollar General a while ago, a red tangle. This does not count because it's black, red, and gray. So that does not count. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now, I'm going to do my dimples after. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Anyways, where I left off, I think I was going to do the dimples, which I don't have a lot. But I do have 1, 2, 3, 4 red dimples. Just 1 pink dimple. So they don't take long. Okay. Now poppet balls. Or 3D poppets. So I do have a red flippy octopus. I don't think I have any pink ones here. No, just 1 red one. Wow. Yeah, just 1 red poppet. Or 3D poppet. Now, mini poppets. Wow, I have a lot of red in here. So, this is mostly red, so I'm going to count that. No. Yeah, this is mini poppets and poppet bracelets. So. Okay, found a few red. Now I see some pink. Oh, this one's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's heart-shaped bracelet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should this one count? This one? I think it's mostly pink, so I'll count it. This one. This poppet pet frappuccino thing. I think that's all the pink. I'm not counting that. Yeah, I think that's all of that. Okay. Now my PBJs. I know for a fact I don't have any pink or red fidgets in there. So, moving on to my Orbeez. So again, I just saw a pink and white Orbeez stress ball in here. I am not counting it since there's white in there and not just pink. speaking of just pink, I have one right here. A couple of right. I think I have some red ones in here. Orby stress balls. These are some of my favorite fidgets. Okay. Now, this one has clear purple and pink in it. Again, I'm not counting it. Okay, here's some red. I found some more. Is this watermelon pink? Pink Orbeez, should the watermelon count? I mean, the inside is pink, but the outside is clear green. I am not going to count it. You're sticky. Oh, this radish. I'm counting. So there's some red and some pink here. Okay, I think that's all. Neatos. Okay, pink. Should I count this donut? I mean, you could take the peel off, like the donut, like the frosting part, and it's just pink. I'm not going to count it since the donut, the blue is on there. Okay, ice cube, strawberry, this thing, this. I have a lot of pink Neatos. I don't think I have any red in here, but we will see. Yeah, I think I have every other color in here except for red and Neatos in the Neatos. Oh, squishy dumpling. There are viral ones right now. There are jumbo ones, smaller ones. Maybe for my birthday, when we go to Erie. Right now it's January. This won't be posted. This will be posted like the first week of February, I think. Sometime the first week of February. Yeah, I have literally so many pink Neatos. Let me know if you guys want to see a vlog of my birthday. I'm going to Erie. Yeah, I do go there every year for my birthday, and I'm fine with it. I have so many pink Neato type fidgets. It's crazy. Yeah, I have every other color in here, but red. Anyways, that's it for that. Now, poppets. I think I do have some red poppets. I know I have some pink. I found 3 already. 3 pink. Should I count the Santa Claus as a red? Yeah, I'm counting it. No. Okay. That's it for that. Jumbo Fidgets. I do have a jumbo pink one and a jumbo red one. A giant strawberry squishy and a giant pink squishy. Which is just a giant one of this one. Anyway. Now over here is, you guys can barely see me. Anyway, my squishies. I don't think I have any pink in here, just kidding. Just kidding, I do. I do have one pink in here, which is this elephant. Now red. Should this count as red? Nah, like I said, I'm not counting it if it has another color in it. Santa Claus, I'm not counting, because I mean, he has a lot of red, but his mustache is white, and there's yellow and black. I'm not counting it. Like this Bucky's one, I am not counting because it's mostly brown and white, barely any red. So just one pink or red heart. And also, this is kind of a squishy, not really actually. It's more like a bouncy ball. But I just put it in here because it's more stiff. Like these ones. Shaggy Fidgets. I have no red in there. Okay, here I do have a pink Fidget. In my water, air, gel and crunchy Fidgets. So I have all of these. This should be in my Shaggy Fidgets, this thing. But I'm just gonna, yeah, it's pink. Pink heart. Another one for Valentine's Day. I think that's it for pink in here. Now for red, I have these two things. Yeah, I think pink won. Yeah. But I don't know, I still have to count it. Okay. That's it. Okay guys, now let's count. I'm gonna do red first. Okay, popped. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 36 and 37. 38. 39. 40, 41, 42. Okay, so 42 red Fidgets. No, pink. Okay. And start with pop tubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. Okay, so pink won with 92 and red, I think 30 something, 40 something. I can't remember. But yeah, pink won. So comment down below if you guys guessed right. So anyways, that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys like to make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite color is, red or pink, from this video. So anyways, I gotta get going and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.